goes for a drive. So listen to this noise in the back. That's a hell of a noise. I think it's just the shock bushes, which are just totally flogged out. So it's like metal on metal. It's up pretty high too, so it's got to be the shock bushes. Find out soon enough anyway. As long as the shocks like on. It's also had a the big exhaust hanger in the middle is broken, so the exhaust was sort of hitting on things too. And the jack handle was sitting on the metal in the back one side, which is also banging. And now it's just the noise that you can hear now. And hopefully the shocks will fix it. Yeah, pretty sure. Alright. Yeah, so just pull this side out, and yeah, sure enough, these are the top bushes. There's nothing there, like it's, so that's the banging you hear in the earlier part of the video there. So if you hear that, you know what's up. So the bottoms are fine. That's the thing, you can buy bushes, they're rather expensive. And these Chinese shocks, yeah, they're Chinese, but they're 75 bucks. You pay up to $60 for nolithane or, you know, shock bushes, but why do that when you just get new shocks? I mean, you know, it's a no-brainer. But yeah, that's what the problem was. Check it again after, make sure there's no more noises, but yeah. So there you go. just done the shocks. Whoa! That's a drink shit. Oh, for fuck's sake. Some old wheels back on it. Seem to be pretty fucking old. No noises. Nothing in the rear whatsoever. Awesome. There's a little bit of minimal noise in the front. That's it. I've seen people get rid of cars by making noises like that, which is what happened to this, sort of, I suppose. Really good condition. Nothing, no sound in the back now at all. No noises, no clanging. Shock bushes on both sides and just they weren't there, they were gone. $75. But I'd say, you know, that centre muffler hanger bush rubber was definitely causing another noise, and that jackhammer. But yeah. Just a quick outro to this video. Yeah, noises like that, it's not always something really bad, you know. You can see it's a lot worse on the passenger side. There's no bush there at all. And this is the driver's side. Still enough to cause the noise that was there. But yeah, these are probably the original. Still the Ford part number. So I think, maybe not. I don't know. But yeah, $75. Fix that problem. And there you go. Anyway, cheers guys. Bye.